Yeah. First question is number 14. Is it right?
First question is number 12.
12. Okay. Which shape has the greatest area? Now, area is the surface area. That how much we can include, right? That's mean where I draw lines, you color it, that is the area. Another term we call boundary. That when I get a pen, we call perimeter. If you walk along this boundary, or this is your house land, you walk along this one, this is we call perimeter, P, right? Area is inside surface. Now this is perimeter. Okay. Now you understand what is perimeter?
Yeah.
That is a length. They added all this length. Now they're asking the area. How do you calculate the area? Is normally this length multiplied by this length. For example, this one we say 1 centimeter, and this one 1 centimeter, right? And area is we call A, length multiplied by width. That's mean 1 centimeter multiplied by 1. That is 1. We said centimeter square. I mean it is, we put 2 above the centimeter, right? Now that is the way of this square. This is shape is square. That is area is 1 centimeter. Now this one looks like same length here, right? This may be 1, but this one actually, if we draw a line, it's a little bit more than 1. That's maybe 1.5, right? And this is a triangle, right? Then if I draw a square, this is become a rectangle. Now this total area will be this length width and this length multiple. I draw, this is A, this is B shape. Now it will be length multiplied by width. Now we call this is width is 1, and this length is 1.5. And after that, because this is a half, we divide by 2. Now 1.5 divided by 2. That is 0.75. It is less than. B is lesser than A. And this one, if you look at that, we divide into half. Same size, like this size. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. But this is half of this. If I draw a line, this is the height. And this is 0.5. Now C will be, this is 1 plus 2. Then area C is same length multiplied by width. That is 2 multiplied by 0.5. That's mean 1 centimeter. It looks like equal. A and C equal 1 centimeter. Now I will go back. I will come back again. I'm doing a little bit faster, but don't worry. Now this square you can do. You can draw same area here, and this is a little bit extra. This may be 1.5. This is 1. Then this area is D area is length multiplied by width 1.5, and width is 1. Area is 1.5 centimeter square. Then if I tell the answers, now this is A is 1 centimeter squared, B is 0.75, C is 1 centimeter, D is 1.5. Then out of these numbers, which one is the biggest?
The D.
D, exactly. D is 1.5. But looking at the your eye, without doing this calculation, you can see that has the biggest area. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes. Then without doing this calculation, you can do it. But for learning, can you in your on your book draw this square? First A, and write 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, this length and this width, right? And you can write A equal LW 1 centimeter. I will clear this all and I will draw it again in different color, right? We will do it together again, right? This is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Then area is for A is length multiplied by width, that is 1 multiplied by 1. We call 1 by 1 1. We write centimeter square, right? That is A. Can you write that on your book?
Okay.
When you finish, let me know. We go for the B. Only thing you should understand is area is length multiplied by width. If on your book you can write L equal length, W is width, right? V W I D T H. I will I write bottom here. W A I D T H, right?
So
Width.
is it WI?
D T H.
Okay.
W is W width. L is length, right? LENGTH, right? A is actually area, the first one, A, right? And this is area. Now we done that one, right? Have you got it? Now we go for the next one. And B, this is the, see, if you draw a line here, this is bigger than this length. Then it should be, we assume 1.5. And this one, same like this one, then it is 1, right? And also I draw a rectangle. Area of this rectangle is, we say area is length multiplied by width. Length is this longer one, 1.5, multiplied by this one, 1. That is 1.5 centimeter squared for this whole rectangle. Then how much we want? Half, right?
Yeah.
Then we divide by 2. 1.5 divided by 2 for this shape, right? That is B. Answer B, area is 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75. Now I will show you how do you divide decimal point if you haven't learned before. 1.5 divided by 2. Now first we do how many 2's in 1 is 1 is smaller, nothing. Then we put the 0 here. And we multiply these two numbers, 2 by 0, 0. And we minus 1 minus 0, 1. Bring this decimal point here and bring this number 5 down, 1.5. Otherwise we forget the decimal. Then 15 divided by 2 is 7. Now we put 7 here. 7 by 2, 14. And 1.4. And 5 minus 4, 1. And there's nothing here. But we can bring here, we can put 0. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Anyway, you don't need to worry about much about decimals. We will learn later. This one answer is 0.75. Right? Now, area of this B is 0.75. Can you write this information on your book? When you finish, let me know. Area of the A is 1 centimeter squared. B is 0.75 centimeter squared, right? Shall I finish it or not yet? Are you still writing?
Yes.
Okay. If you can ask me anything you not clear here, which step you want to describe, I can tell you again.
For where it says 75, yeah. What's the first thing it says? Be the equal sign.
Equal here B. We answer B. See that? V shape. This is equal sign.
So do I have to write a B there?
Yeah, you can write area B, area B, right? This shape, right? Area B. Area B, right?
I'm finished.
Finish? Yeah. Can I clear this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to do the C. Now this length is 1 centimeter. Then I can make it half, right? Now this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. And this is, if I make it half, this is 1, that means become 0.5. Same height is here. Now this one 0.5. Right? Now L is 1 plus 1, 2, right? W width is 0.5. Then area for C, area of C equal length multiplied by width. Length is how much for this one?
C.
Yeah, for if it is this portion 1, this one 1, how much length?
2.
2, exactly, right. What is the width?
0.5.
Right, good job. Now 0.5. Now if you multiply this together, 0.5 multiplied by 2, 5 by 2 is 1, 10, right? And this decimal point, only one decimal point, we put decimal point 1 here. Answer is 1, right? Then answer 1 square centimeters, right? It's same as this one. This is 1 and this is 1. We got this one 0.75 so far, right? Okay, you can write this one, area of C.
Near area, what's the next few words?
This one?
Yeah.
Area of C. Area of C. C is picture C, right? Yeah, now we go. When you finish, let me know though.
Okay.
Let me know other one. Is that finished?
No.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay. Now I'm going to do the area D. Now this is looks like same height here, right? This one and this one. But I can cut this one somewhere here. And this will be 1. This will be 0.5. It's a little bit longer. Then for the area of D, you can write area of D, picture D, is length multiplied by width. What is the length?
The length is
Length is this length, right?
2.
2 is this much of this is bigger, right? Then make it half. This one 1 1. This one I said if I cut this box same like this box, this is 1 and this is 0.5. That's mean 1 plus 0.5. What is that? This length is 1 plus 0.5. How much? 1, and when you added 0.5, how much? 1.5. Is that clear for you? And what is the width for this picture? This height should be 1, right? This height is 1, right? Then 1.5 multiplied by 1 is same number, 1.5. That is the answer. That will be, we write this area is centimeter square. Then looking at your answers, you got A, B, C, D, all the areas. Which one is the biggest?
D.
D, exactly, right. Then answer is D, right? Now that's the way. Now in the exam, yeah, you can just write number 1, 1, and here 1, this one 1.5. Just do a simple calculation and find it, right? You okay? You learned something for area. Now can we do the next one?
The next one is 28.
Okay. Alana, May, Kay were picking oranges. Alana packed 5 more oranges than Mary. Kay picked 8 more oranges than Mel. Which of these is true, right? This one, what you do is you get these names. Alana we call A, May is me, and K is K. All are picking oranges. Alana picked more oranges than me. That means Alana is more than me. How much? 5, right? That means if you add May 5, this is going to be Alana's number, right? But from here, you can tell that Alana is bigger than, we call bigger this one. Now, this is, we call greater. It's like a mouth. The fish open the mouth this way. And if you do this way, this number is greater than y. X is greater than y. And this is X is less than, this is less than. Less and greater. Now this one, A is greater than Mia, right? You got that, right? And 5 oranges. K packed 8 more orange than May. Then K is more. Then is that which one is bigger then, K or May?
K.
Exactly. K is bigger. Then we put the mouth this way. She's bigger, right? K is bigger than Mia. May. How many? 8 oranges. That means you can write May plus 8 equal K, right? Now, which is the true? Now, that this is the relationship we call A is bigger than May, K is bigger than May. Sorry, A is mean Elena. Elena is bigger than May, K is bigger than May. Now, May is the smallest. Elena has 3 fewer orange than K. Now, this one, now looking at that, if I added 5 oranges, if
I chose a question. I chose an answer.
Okay, which one?
O.
Yeah, Elena has 3 fewer orange than K. Yeah, that's right. Because K is need more 8 oranges. K need, you are correct, 8 oranges. Because no, now see that May plus 8 equal K, right? And A equal 5, M plus 5. For example, if I said May equal 10, what is the Alana's number? You put that here, 10 plus 5, 15, right? If you put here 10 plus 8, 18. Then K equal 18, Alana is 15. Which one is bigger?
K.
K. You said Alana has 3 fewer oranges than K. Yeah, less, no? Fewer mean less. That's the answer should be correct.
The next question is 30.
Yeah.
30.
Give me 1 second.
The 30.
Yeah. Go to 30, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now the question you all mark and all write, right? Is that correct? Did you mark it? Or
no.
Did you mark your answers?
No.
No, this is a hard questions. Okay. Then we have to mark also, right? Then Jess wants to build a house for her pet. She has 2 pieces of wood. Each piece is 4 meters long. And she needs to cut these pieces into shorter one that each 600 millimeter long. What is the largest number 6 millimeter piece less than cut? Now go for that. Did you learn length, how it is called metric conversion? What is the smallest length? Millimeter, I write millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer, right? How many millimeter in 1 centimeter? Do you know that or not? Have you heard about that?
Is it
1 centimeter, how much? So if I get a ruler, see that this is centimeters. See, you can see my screen, or
Yeah.
you see the ruler?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, see here centimeters. Here to here, 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, like that. The small lines, millimeters, right? Then there are, the middle line is 5. There are 5 line here, another 5. Then how many millimeters in the 1 centimeter? There are 10 lines, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, you can see my ruler or not?
I can.
Okay. Then this is 10 millimeters, right? Then we go back to the paper again.
So is it 10 millimeters?
Equal to 1 centimeter, right? Then 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter, right? 10 mm. In your book, can you write down? Yeah.
Yeah, I wrote it down.
Yeah, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer.
I wrote that, Uncle.
Okay. Now we try to understand this one, centimeter to meter, right? And that is 100 centimeters
Mhm.
equal to 1 meter, right? Centimeter here, 1 meter. 100. Here to here, 10. Here to here, 100. Meter to kilometer, 1000. Say you are home to your school, millimeter or kilometer or centimeter. Say ruler. Ruler has 10 centimeter, right? Now,
Mhm.
if you measure distance from your home to school, normally we measure kilometers. It's a long, right? And 1 meter, 1000 meters. Next one is 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer, right? Now, can you tell me what I wrote here? How many centimeter to millimeters? 1 centimeter, how many millimeters? This one. This is m. Right? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, right? This one, 100 centimeter equal to how many meters?
1 meter.
1 meter. 1000 meter equal to how many kilometer?
1 meter.
No, 1
One.
kilometer, right? Kilometer. Now, say your pencil or maybe your eraser, right? Your eraser, it may be 20 millimeters, right? Maybe your computer is maybe 20 centimeters, right? You know your height, maybe 1 meter, right? And your house to your school, maybe 5 kilometers, right? That means smaller length you measure in millimeters. Little bit bigger one you measure centimeter. Some like your height or your brother's height, yeah, it may be 1 meter, right? And if you measure long distance, you have to go by car, then it measure kilometer, right? In your book, can you draw this one? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, right? And you had to put arrow this one.
What? What?
Millimeter, yeah.
I can't see where it says the kilometer. I can't
Okay.
see.
Now can see. You can see here.
I I can see up to mm, cm, m. That's all I can see. I can't see the cm.
All right. Now, now I write here. Now you can see this screen, this part.
But I can't see this km.
Okay. Now millimeter. I write this side. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Centimeter and meters and kilometer, right? And here to here, 10 centimeter meter, 100 meter to kilometer, 1000, right? 3 zeros, right? And 1 centimeter equal how many? 10
millimeters.
Millimeters, right? And 100 centimeter equal to how many meters?
1 meter.
1 meter. And 1000 meters?
1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Now, can you give me the next one example for millimeters? What do you measure millimeters? Very small length. Maybe I said eraser. You know eraser?
Yeah.
Or maybe your cutter is small, very small, right? Then you can write example, eraser. This is a ruler or maybe TV screen, right?
How do you spell eraser?
E-R-A-S-E-R. This is ruler. And 1 meter maybe my height. I don't think you maybe half a meter. Maybe yes, your brother's height. H-E-I-G-H-T. And kilometer is home to school, right? Distance.
I'm still at the height.
Okay, that's fine. Meters is height, right? Now you learn about the metric conversion. You call metric conversion. I will email you the chart.
Oh.
Metric conversion, right? Did you write all this? I can clear this one, or?
Yeah.
Okay, I show you something now. Now this is a chart. I will send you later. This is a metric conversion. Inches, meters. All right, here. See this one. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter. 1 meter, 100 centimeters. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer, 1000 centimeters. That's what we learn now, right? I will email to your mom this one, right? You can paste on your book. And we call this conversion chart. This is for length. And there are so many other charts. We don't need to worry about this stage. We just learn this one. And we try to go to the question now.
Do you want me to go to the next question?
Oh, no, we haven't done this one. Because we just learn about the length conversion, right? Now, clear this. Just want to build a house for her pet. She has 2 pieces of wood, each piece 4 meter long. Now it's a 4 meter long And here, see, this is millimeter. Now we have to first make it centimeters, this one. She needs to cut these pieces into shorter ones that are each 600 meter long. Now 4 meter, you said this is very long. This is 4 meter. Now 1 meter, how many centimeters you wrote earlier?
1 meter is 100
centimeters. Then this 4 meter equal to how many centimeter then? 1 is 100, then 4?
400.
400, that's good. 400 centimeter. Now you learned today 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Now 1 centimeter 10 millimeter. This 400, I write here again, 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter, how many millimeter then? 1 equal to 10 millimeter. If you want to find the 400, how much it will be? How many millimeters? 400 multiplied by 10. How much? 4,000, right? Is that correct?
Do I have to write all this down?
Yeah, you can now write it. Yeah, this one. Now we are doing the question, right? Now what you do is, for you 4 meter timber, you make it to millimeters. What do you do first step? Meter become centimeter, right? When you finish, let me know.
Okay. Okay.
Done, right? Now,
yeah,
4,000 millimeters this length. I write it to in millimeters. Now, what is the size she's cutting this one? How long? 600 millimeters, right? That means these pieces, how much? 600 millimeters. Now, because they have same unit, we call unit, millimeter to millimeter. Then you can find out how many pieces you can cut, right? And she need to cut these pieces into shorter ones that are each 600 meter long. What is the largest number of 600 millimeter pieces just can cut? Now she's going to cut 4,000 millimeter into 600. How do you find out how many pieces? What do you do? Do you multiple or you divided or?
Do you multiply?
Multiple?
Yeah.
No, because we call grouping. You make it pieces, 600, 600, 600. We call grouping. That means same as divided, right? 4,000 you are going to divide by 600, right? When you have zeros, here also zeros, you can cut outside zeros and inside zero. This 1 0 I cut with this last 0. Second 0 I cut with second 0, right? What left? 40. Your 2 zeros gone, and here 6. 40 divided by 6. Can you try 40 divided by 6 in your book? Can you tell me the answer? Then I will do it. First, you write 4,000 divided by 600. Then you have to cut the zeros. And you get next step 40 divided by 6.
Is it 6 remainder 4?
Exactly, very good. Huh? You know how to do the division. That's very good. 6 is the answer, and remainder 4 is a small piece will be remainder. Then you can cut 6 pieces. Then answer will be this one. You got the answer, right? We go to next question.
The next question is 31. So 31. Yeah.
Okay, Natalia has 20 pots processed as shown below. Natalia had 90 cups of water. We write pots 20. Natalia had 94 cups of water. Cups 94. And she poured 1 cup of water into a pot and then move next one. She keep going. Then some pots got 1 cup water more than others. Which fraction? Now we are learning about. Sorry.
I don't know these kind of fractions yet. I only know 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8.
Okay. Say this is 10, right? Say you have pizza. If you divided pizza into 5 pieces either side, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say this is equal. My drawing is not good. And you cut it another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then if you eat 1 portion, it will be how much remainder? 9, right? 9 out of 10 still have. You ate 1 out of 10. Right? Like that. Fraction is you divide the amount by number of one number, and that's a portion. Is a fraction, right? Did you understand now? Or not?
Yeah.
Are you there? Yeah. Now this is a fraction. Now you say you know 1/4, half. What are the other fraction you know?
1/8.
Yeah, 1/8. You can write any number of fraction like 2/32 or 1/90. If it is 1/90, you make it this piece of 90 pieces. Like that, right? 90, and you eat 1. Fraction is like that. Okay. Now then the 94 cups and 20 pots. Then you are pouring water along these cups, along these pots. That's been 20 pots. Then how many, each pot, how many times it get water cups? That's mean if you go 1 round, how many cups you need to finish? How many cups you use if you go 1 round? How many cups? There are 20 pots. 20. Yes, that's right. 20 finish. First round 20. Then you are going another round. Or second round. Then how many pots, how many cups gone now? Another
20.
20. Then you go another round, third round. How many cups? 20. Then you go another round.
20.
Yeah, so far how many? 80, right? 80 finish. Now next round.
Isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, next round, I erase this one. Because you finished now 84 rounds. Now how many left now? How many cups left?
No.
80. That's mean you, how many left? 94 minus 80. How much? Can you tell me? 4 minus 0? 4 minus 0?
4 minus 0 is 4.
9 minus 8?
1.
Yeah. 14 cups remained, right? That's means same thing. 94 divided by 20 equal 4, 80, 14 remained, right? Now, that is fifth round. I am going fifth round, 14 cups. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to here, you can water it, right? Then your 94 cups gone. Now what is the question? She poured the 1 cup of into the, then moved to next one. She kept going, pouring all the cups until no cups of water left. Then she's finishing here. Some pots got 1 cup of water more than the others. Which are the cups got more than others? This inside the green box or outside?
Inside.
Inside. They got actually 5 times, no? Because already we fill 4 times, right? And we do another round. They got 5 times. Then inside cups got more. That's mean how many cups? How many pots? 14, right?
Yeah.
14 cups, 14 pots got more than others. Then what fraction got more than others mean? When you make it fraction, these 14 cups, 14 pots got others mean 14, how many pots altogether? 90, right?
Yeah.
Then 90, then 90, yeah, 14 divided by 90 is the which fraction of pots got more than 1 cup of water, right? Now 14 divided by 90, okay? But our answer, this is a fraction, but our answer is close to 10s. That's mean you have to make it 10. Now bottom is 90. If you want to make it 10, you are divided by 9. I get the charger. Can you write in your book so far what we wrote?
Yeah, I have.
You have already, right? Now I want to make it this one to 10th. Then only thing is 90 divided by 9 going to be 10, right? If you do something for bottom, you have to do the same thing for top. Then you have divided by 9. Same. Before that 14, I think this one I have to make it correct. This one not 14 because we went 14 cups. Natalia has 20 pots of the notes. Now these are 19 pot, 20, sorry, 20. Yes. Okay. Now I clear it. Sorry, this is 20 pots. And 14 were, we had 5 times water. Then 14 divided by 20, not the 90. I did a mistake, right? This is the fraction. 14 divided by 20. Then this one we can write as 7/10. Okay. 7/10 is the answer because you divide by 2. You divide by 2. 20 divided by 2, 10. 14 divided by 2, 7.
I don't know where that says that. I have 80 divided by 80 and divide by 14.
No, that is wrong. Now, now what we do is we went around this, right? First one 20 cups. Second round we did another 20 cups. Third round another 20. Another round another 20. Altogether 80 we poured, right? Now we have 94 cups. That means we are going to do it another round. Another round we start from here and we mark 14 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now these 14 cups get another cup. Sorry, 14 pots get another cup. Now that's mean another already 80 pour, another 14, right? Total will be 94. We finish all the water when we come here. Then this 14 get extra cup, right? 1 time, 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time. They get 5th time. Then 14 out of 20 get extra cups. Is that clear? This 14 will get more cups, right? And this is the answer, but we call simplify. That's mean divide by 2. 14 divided by 2, 7. 20 divided by 2, 10. Answer is 7/10. Can you write this one? You know how many pots got more cups? How many pots? There are 20 pots. 14, yes. 14. There are how many pots we have altogether?
20.
20. Then it's a fraction. What do you do? Same like we did pizza. We ate small piece out of 10. We call 1/10. Likewise, we write the fraction 14/20, right? Then, sorry?
I also have one which says 94 take away 80 equals 14.
Ah, yeah. That's good. Then 14, that is the extra. And 14, I plot this inside and mark it. This out of 20. These are the fraction. You have got correct. 94 minus 80 is 14. Then that 14 divided by 20, right?
Uncle Manoj, do I have to keep 80 divide 14?
No. 80 is the water cups, right? But they are asking the pots, right? then we have to come back to the pots again. I know you are working on the cups, 20, 20, 20, 80 cups, 14 remainder, that will pour again next round, 5th round. And these pots, we come back to the pots now, right? All right, a little bit confused for you, but we did pouring the cups round, going round. First round, second round, third round, fourth round. 5th round, you have only 14 cups. That 14 cups, I am going to pour it, and it will cover 14 cups out of this 20. Out of, we call out of. 14 out of, this is a fraction. 14 out of 20. This is the answer, right? This is we call as 7 out of 10. That's it, right? Can you write it?
I did.
Yeah. I know you deal with the cups and we come back to pots. You know, you write earlier 14 divided by 80. That is wrong, right?
What?
Did you write the 14 out of 80? That is not
No,
right.
I read 80 out of 14.
80 out of 14?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's not right.
Uncle Manoj, where it said 2020, 2020, am I meant to write under that 180?
Sorry. This is not one. It's a pencil mark. It should be 80. 80 and minus 14, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, plus, put the plus 14. That's going to be 94, right? You finished that?
Yeah, do we go to the next question?
Okay. Then how many questions left there? How many questions in your paper left? 'Now we did 31. Which one next?
34.
Okay. And how many questions we have to do? Because 34 after that?
34, then 35, then 40.
Okay, 3 questions. Yeah. 34. Okay. You do quickly. Each week, Natalia received $30 pocket, right? Each week, Tony receives $16 money and save half of it. Now, each week, Natalia received $30 money and save 1/3. $30, 1/3 mean multiple by 1/3. It's a fraction, right? Now, how do you multiple? You can divide by 1. It's the same number. We put it 1 here. Then nothing will happen. Then you can multiple these two together. 30 multiplied by 1, 30. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 30 divided by 3 equal 10. That is her savings, right? For Natalia. And Tony, he gets $16, but he save half. That means 16 multiplied by half. Then you can put 1 here again. We multiple top numbers. 16 multiplied by 16, bottom denominator 1 by 2, 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Tony save $8. Natalia save $10, right? Per day, per week. is 8 weeks. How much money Natalia and Tony save? Both together, 10 and 8, $18, right? And 8 weeks, you had to multiply by 8. 8 by 8, 64. 6 left. 8 by 1, 8, 6, 144. That is the answer, right? Can you write it?
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
no.
Done?
No.
Yeah, you understand that question, right?
Yeah. What is that word? Above 16.
Tony,
Yeah, that word.
T-O-N-Y, Tony.
Oh.
This is Natalia.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the next question?
Next question is 35.
Yeah, square has 4 small shapes. Jacob colors 2 of small shapes. Green. Here is one way of he could do this. Green, white. He colored these 2. In how many different ways Jacob colored 2 of small shapes green? Now, this is a pattern. What you do is you write 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now, first one, you get the numbers. Now, this is he color 1 and which shape? Number 3, right?
Mhm.
Now, what you do is this kind of question we do like numbering how many ways we can do with the other numbers. If you get the first pick this one, you can pick number 2, right? If you pick 1, I am doing coloring in different ways. I color this one and you color other one. Then I pick again 1 and I color number 3. That's what we show here, number 3. Again, I pick 1 and I color number 4. With the number 1, you can color it how many times? Patterns 2, 3, 4. This is 3, right? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. 3 times, right? If you start from 1, again you can start from 2. 2 and already have 2 and 1. Then you go for next one, 2 and 3, 2 and 4. That's it. And if you get 3, 3 and 4. These are the way of coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. There are 6 times. But you already done 1. In how many ways you can jack up color 2 small? 6. Actually 6. You know what I do is I put the numbers. You can write it 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Mm.
And you have to pick 2 numbers. You are coloring two shapes. First one you can do 1 and 2. These 2, right? Next one you can do 1 and 3. 1 and 3, right? This is 1 and 3. Next one 1 and 4. Likewise, you can do, because 1, you get the 1 first, do the remaining numbers 2, 3, 4. That's it. Then get the 2, but you can't put 1 because you already put that 1 and 2. Then you start from you can't put 2 and 2 because it's the same. You have to put the next number, 2 and 3, 2 and 4. Let's start again 3 and 4. That's it. And altogether 6. Got it?
Next one is 40.
Yeah. If you don't know this kind of question, you have to use the numbers. Otherwise, you can't. You have to color it, draw all 6 times. 40. Tony made this image using his computer. He then flipped the turn image. Which one of these Tony's image after he flipped and turn it? All right. Give 1 minute.